Pranic healing is actually a way of life.
It's like a miracle.
Pranic healing keeps you very balanced. It changes your entire life.
It was like a miracle to me.
It's really a wonderful thing to know and to practice in your day-to-day life.
My outlook towards life has changed.
I have become 80% already so much better.
It's helped me in all aspects of life, physical health, emotional health. It's just wonderful. It's just an amazing experience.
The word pranic healing comes from the word prana, which means life energy. So pranic healing involves the projection of prana or life energy to the affected part or to the patients, thereby accelerating the natural healing process of the body. This art is very ancient. This is based on the concept that your hand has an energy center. Each hand has an energy center. So one hand is used to absorb prana from the surrounding. The other hand is used to project to the affected part.
Pranic healing has been systematically and scientifically developed by Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui. It is simple, easy to learn and very effective. Hundreds of thousands of students have learned to do pranic healing and millions of patients have been healed and relieved. It has spread to over 84 countries. In India, pranic healing is present in over 19 states.
We had the foundation set up sometime in 95. But what prompted it to come up is the class took most of the people. We were having about 30 participants in the class. It was a basic course, and as far as I can see, at least half of them were inquisitive to see what was in the class. It touched some people really hard, and that followed in actually taking quite a lot of effort into developing pranic healing in Delhi.
Way back in 95, 96, I don't remember exact date, probably it's around that time. I was suffering from high blood pressure. 5 minutes of healing, my blood pressure will go down by 10, 15 points. So that really started something. That's how I got involved in pranic healing. That changed my life.
The process of healing involves cleansing and energizing. If you look at nature, if you look at your own body, you will find the process of cleansing which takes place, which is when you exhale. As you exhale, you cleanse your blood. As you inhale, you energize your blood. So pranic healing, Yoga Vidya pranic healing is exactly that. We cleanse and we energize, as compared to many other systems where there is either purely cleansing or purely energizing. The hand gesture, when it goes anti-clockwise, is actually cleansing. And I was projecting certain colors while running the hand anti-clockwise. The motion of flicking involves just as you touch mud and you pick up mud, whether you can see it or not. So when we heal, the energy which is giving discomfort to a person is basically stale, contaminated. So we want to flick that away. So the gesture of flicking into the salt bowl is essentially getting rid of the energy from your hand. Then the second step of cleansing your healing hand is using spirit. We spray the spirit just like a dentist keeps spraying on his hands, even though he has gloves. He still wants to clean his hands by using spirit. So we do exactly that. We clean the contaminated energy by using spirit or flicking of the hands. The bowl that we use, the bowl in which we flick, has water. Water is a good absorbent of negative energies, coarse energies. So if you remember, if you remember having a late night and you wake up in the morning feeling groggy, if you remember, you had a shower and you felt fresh. That is exactly what we do. The water in the shower was absorbing your course energies, and it made you feel 20, 30, 40% fresher. So we use the water here to absorb the course energies that we are flicking, and we use sea salt in it to disintegrate and transmute the course energies.